Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to receive money on Remitly. First, log into your Remitly account, then go to your account settings, and under settings, you'll find the recipients section. Click onto it to add to the person who will be sending you money. To add a recipient, you'll need the sender's exact first and last name as it appears on their Remitly account. You can also enter their mobile number and email address. These are optional. If you'd like, you can add their address as well. After filling in the details, click Save to add them as a recipient. Next, the person who's sending you money will need to add you as a recipient on their end. Let them know to enter the amount they want to send, select your country as the receiving country, and choose the delivery method that you prefer. This could be a bank transfer or a mobile wallet. Make sure you provide them with the correct account details such as your bank or e-wallet information. Remitly will then convert the currency using the best available exchange rate, and the money will be transferred directly to your account. And that's how you can receive money using Remitly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our next video. Thank you for watching.